Got 3 4-post tests. It's a Inconel monster, a combo monster, and a TIG out monster.
You're planning on driving this 17 hours straight, or what are you going to do?
I might get a hotel or something. Drive as far as I can.
Yeah, 17 hours is a heck of a haul, man. All right, and then curious, what pay are you looking for?
I think it's 43 and 130.
43 and 130. And you're a year and a half out of KWI now? Right at? So making good money. What would you recommend to these guys looking to come to KWI, or if they graduate, just getting on a job, staying on a job? Like, what kind of things have you learned in your year and a half out so far?
You gotta learn to be more than just a welder. You gotta be able to do it all. You gotta be able to halfway know how to fit and help everybody you can.